Hey there, everybody. Good to see you again. My name is John Phelps with TechMetric, and what I want to talk about today is some of the benefits that your shops can see when they utilize TechMetric. Now, it's fairly obvious some of the reasons that the Alliance and TechMetric have such a great partnership. After all, what we're trying to do is grow each other's businesses. We want to help you sell more of your parts. And for the shops that you see that don't use TechMetric, well, we'd love the opportunity to get in front of them, which can in turn help you sell more parts. But in order to do that, we've got to identify why a shop would ever switch to TechMetric in the first place. Taking a look at what those benefits are, we've got to look past just the features. And when we keep track of this on a monthly basis, what we typically see is that one of four reasons is why a shop owner says yes to us: simplicity, performance, dependability, and consolidation. Simplicity is ease of use. Is it easy for the technicians doing a DVI? Is it easy for the advisors to build an estimate and contact the customer? And is it easy for the customer to say yes, in turn, selling more parts and selling more labor? When it comes to performance, well, does it perform like it should? When you click a button, does it go to where you feel it should? And is it working in the right way? Dependability, well, does it perform when it should? We're on the most dependable platform that's out there. So over 99% of the time, when a shop owner goes to log in, there we are, no outages, working the way that it's designed. And then lastly, consolidation. What we typically find is that TechMetric can replace 3 to 5 systems that a shop uses on a daily basis, all built in to one place. After all, what we've got to be able to do is identify what's in it for them. That's everybody's favorite radio station, isn't it? WIFM, what's in it for me? Shop owners have to see the benefit, not just the feature. And for yourself, well, there's got to be some benefits to you too, right? So I want you to remember these two numbers. The first number is 17%. Shops that switch over and utilize TechMetric see a 17% increase in average parts and labor sales per RO in that first 90 days. These are the numbers that they report back to us. The second number is 25%. Typically, our partners see a 25% increase in sales to shops that switch over to TechMetric, regardless of what system they came from. Now I want to point out a few of the features that emphasize these benefits. And the first thing I want to show you is that DVI, that digital vehicle inspection. Is it easy to use for a technician? Well, it looks the same on a phone, a tablet, a laptop, or a desktop. Does it perform like it should? Well, if you click on this edit pencil, you can green, yellow, red, gray. You can add a video, you can add a picture, you can add findings, you can edit those pictures. Once you hit save, well, now it's time to build that estimate. So let's look over at that estimate screen. And being on the dependable platform, it's one click away. As fast as that internet can take you, now you're on the estimate screen. From here, we can begin to build our estimate. We've got our built-in labor guide. You can add parts from My Place for Parts, make it that much easier to build the estimate and get that sent off to your customers. We can share that estimate. We can send it via email. We can send it via text message. And just like that, those customers have that estimate. With a couple clicks, they can approve that work. But now I want to switch over and talk about how is it easy for you? You see shops on a daily basis. And hopefully you can identify that some of these benefits are things that they're not seeing with their current provider. So what happens if you've got a shop that's interested? Well, one of two things. We can either book a demo or you can just submit their information right here and make it that much easier for us to reach them. If you go to info.techmetric.com/alliance, it's going to take you to this landing page. And if you've got a shop owner that wants to book a demo, you click book demo, enter their email address, click start booking. You can select the date, the time, and then from there, you can begin entering that shop's information. You can select the shareholder that you're with. You can put your own name in there, add some notes, and then confirm. If that shop owner's not quite ready to book a demo yet, click Talk to Us. A lot of the same information is there. If you're working with Chris, myself, or you're not sure, you can click unknown, click your shareholder, add your name, and then as you scroll down, add that shop's information, and then hit submit. Hopefully that's as easy as we can make it for you to send those shops our way. We'd love to be able to convert those over to TechMetric shops, which is going to help you sell more parts. Y'all have a great day.